We are going to talk about Unit 9 in Preparatory 1. Our unit today is called Adventure. What does adventure mean? It is an exciting experience when something unusual or dangerous happens. Have you heard about adventure sports? Yes, they are sailing, ziplining, diving, trekking, mountain biking, rock climbing, and kayaking. Now we are going to talk about every adventure sport. The first sport is sailing. It's a sport of sailing boats. This sport needs a boat and some wind. The second sport is ziplining. What is ziplining? It is a sport in which participants zip between platforms on a series of cables. In this sport, you start very high, but you finish on the ground. You go very fast. The next sport is diving. What is diving? It is a sport of jumping and falling into water. It's a sport of swimming underwater. The next sport is trekking. What is this sport? It is a sport in which you go on a long journey on foot. You sometimes go for 2 days or more, usually across the desert. The next sport is rock climbing. What does it mean? It is a sport in which someone uses his hands and feet to climb up the rock. It's a very difficult sport because you need to have a lot of strength. The next sport is mountain biking. It is a sport of riding bicycles using special design mountain bikes. The last sport is kayaking. It's a sport in which you can travel or move across water using a kayak. Now, we will divide sports of adventure into 2 groups: water sports and mountain sports. The first, water sports. What are water sports? Water sports are diving, sailing, kayaking. And what are mountain sports? Mountain sports are trekking, ziplining, mountain biking, and rock climbing. Thank you for listening. See you soon. Goodbye.